Today I'm going to show you how to make this low carb strawberry cheesecake smoothie. It's so indulgent and such a lovely sweet treat snack or even breakfast. And yes, this was in my 7 low carb breakfast ideas video that I shared the other week. I just filmed this and thought, you know what, I want this as a standalone video as well. This recipe is too good not to share in case you missed that video with the lovely strawberry cheesecake smoothie and 6 other easy breakfasts to start your day. So I am going to share this with you, so I hope you'll enjoy it. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and you can check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe too. So let me show you how to make this lovely cheesecake smoothie. So let me talk you through the ingredients really quickly. So yeah, I've got almond milk. That is my milk of choice. You can use any milk you like. Almond milk is low carb friendly, so if you want it low carb, almond milk, make sure it's unsweetened as this one is, and you could just use that one, any other low carb friendly milk you like to use. I'm using some cream because my almond milk's low in carb but also low in fat, so I like to add in some cream. So I've got some healthy cream and lovely richness to my smoothie. I'm using whole frozen strawberries. You can really use any berries you like, fresh or frozen. I love using frozen ones because then I've always got it in my freezer so I can make a smoothie whenever I want to, and it's cheaper and all season round. I can use it all year round. And I'm using cream cheese to give that lovely richness of cheesecakey flavor to the smoothie. So let's put it all together now. So I like to save myself washing up, so I'm just going to keep reusing a quarter of a cup, starting with a quarter of a cup of frozen strawberries, and I'm just going to keep refilling this quarter of a cup. And next a quarter of a cup of cream, so it's going to be lovely and creamy. I'm going to go for 3/4 of a cup of almond milk, so I'm just going to measure out 3 of these. Of course I spilled along the way too, and it's also up to you if you'd like to add a bit of sweetness. You can add some stevia or your sweetener of choice. Give it a mix, have a little taste, and if it's sweet enough to your liking, leave it as is. Depends on the sweetness of the fruit really, and how sweet you want it. You could add in stevia for sure. And finally, for the cheesecakiness, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. This is going to be super luxurious and cheesecakey. Really makes a whole meal, you'll find. And we'll pop on the lid and blend it all together. And I've got my blender all set up, and we'll get it on to blend. Okay, that's nice and smooth and creamy, so I'll pour it out into a glass now. So I'm just going to pour out my beautiful smoothie. Oh, it looks so creamy. And there's plenty there as well. So that is my low carb cheesecake smoothie. Now you could definitely have a taste of it and see if you want to add in some stevia. If you want to elevate the protein level, add some protein powder, but I love it like this. But I like to be a little bit more indulgent and add a tiny swirl of whipped cream to it. Oh, isn't that just perfection? But that is the video for today for this lovely smoothie that just tastes like a strawberry cheesecake. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so that you can make this lovely smoothie at home. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this smoothie a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!